In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Hostinger hPanel and enable HTTP2 on your domain. Whether you're running a personal blog or managing a business website, ensuring optimum performance and security is crucial. Enhancing your site's performance not only improves the user experience, but also can have a positive impact on your search engine rankings. One of the ways to boost performance is by leveraging HTTP2/2. So let's dive in and make sure it's set up correctly. First things first, you need to access your Hostinger account. Go to Hostinger's website, and once there, you'll want to log into your account. Enter your credentials, your email, and password to access the hPanel. If you've forgotten your password, there's always an option to reset it, so don't worry. Once you're inside, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is your central hub for managing everything related to your hosting services. Next, direct your attention to the SSL section. SSL, or Secure Socket Layer, is a protocol ensuring that the data transferred between your server and the client remains encrypted and secure. In the hPanel, locate this section, as this is where we'll ensure that SSL is enabled on your chosen domain. If your domain doesn't have SSL enabled yet, it's time to activate it. This can often be done with just a few clicks. Just follow the on-screen instructions within your hPanel to get it up and running. Keep an eye out for any confirmation messages or refresh prompts to ensure everything has been set smoothly. Now, here's the great thing about Hostinger. Once SSL is activated, HTTP2 is automatically enabled on your domain. HTTP2 is a major revision of the HTTP network protocol used by the World Wide Web, and it's known for significantly improving loading times through better compression, multiplexing requests, and prioritization. It's much faster than its predecessor, HTTP/1.1, and having it on your site means a more seamless experience for your visitors. After enabling SSL, and thus HTTP/2 by extension, it's important to verify that HTTP/2 is functioning properly. This is where online tools come into play. A particularly useful tool is the KeyCDN's HTTP2 test tool. Head over to their website and simply enter your domain to check if HTTP2 is active. The tool will quickly analyze your domain and confirm if HTTP2 is indeed enabled, giving you peace of mind that everything is set up as expected. And there you have it, a straightforward way to ensure your website is not only secure but also benefits from the enhanced performance of HTTP2. Remember to periodically check your settings to ensure everything remains in top shape, especially after updates or changes to your hosting plan. By keeping your website fast and secure, you're taking a solid step towards providing a great user experience for your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy hosting.